Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my daily vlogs. You guys are the best. Actually, it's not daily vlog from now on. It's going to be Monday to Friday daily vlogs. So it's gonna be weekdays. I don't know how to explain this, guys. Weekdays vlogs. So basically there will be 5 videos in a week, so thumbs up for that. I might upload extra videos, you never know. So yes guys, thank you so much for coming back and loving my channel and supporting me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and be the member of my YouTube family. And yes guys, that's about it. I don't know if you guys can see, there is a little guest over here. I'm not appreciating it, but what can you do, guys? You can't do much. I don't know why it's here. It looks like it's a pimple, but it is very tiny and kind of reddish. It's there, but I'm so lucky when it comes to, you know, pimples and stuffs, because I don't get a lot of pimples. And when I was a teenager also, I didn't get any pimples, to be honest. I get pimples when I'm, you know, not sleeping very well, but lately I have been sleeping very well. I don't know why you are here, but it is here. And yes guys, that's that. And yesterday the weather was really nice. We only used one duvet and it is a yay. I feel like the spring is around the corner and the weather is really lovely too. It's sunny already. It's 8:30, I believe. It's I don't know if you guys can see, but it's 8:42 basically. You guys can't see. So yes guys, it's gonna be a good day and thank you so much for watching. Let's go ahead and start our workout. So for my workout today, I'm wearing this blue leggings from Primark and also this red top from Primark as well. So yeah, that's my outfit for today. And I went to Primark recently while I was in Bath and I couldn't find any good, you know, leggings or workout clothes, to be honest. So yeah, that's all I have so far. And I used this yesterday as well, same outfit. And I don't like to change my outfit every single day, to be honest. I like to wear it at least 2 times and then wash it. So yes guys, that's what I'm gonna wear today and workout. Just finished my workout. Didn't go really hard today. So today I have burned 189 calories. Okay, the screen is gone now, but yeah, still tired and love it. So I'm eating same breakfast like yesterday. Since you all know we went for holiday, so I chopped up all my mushrooms and put it inside the freezer, because you guys know I don't like to waste my food. And for hash brown, what I like to do is put it inside the microwave for around 1 to 2 minutes and then cook it. And by doing this, you don't have to cook it for a very long time in a pan, and it is a lot easier as well. So that's the little life hack for you guys. I don't know if you guys already know or not, but yeah, that's the little hack. Breakfast is ready. Yummy. So guys, I took out this chicken thighs from the freezer last night. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's still frozen. Since it's winter here in the UK, it's getting, you know, springy and the weather is calming down, but it is still cold. You know what I mean. I don't know what I want to cook, not too sure. I might make chicken curry or chicken chili. Not too sure, guys. You guys will find out in a bit. Okay guys, so I just took my shower and that feels so good, and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for you all. By the way, I've washed my beauty sponge today and it is squeaky clean, but it is kind of wet. I've never tried wet beauty blender, but I'm gonna keep it for now and try it some other day. But today I'm going to use my new beauty blender which I got when I was on holiday, and yeah, I really get excited when I get to use new products and new stuffs, you know. So let's go ahead and get ready for today. So this is my concealer. You guys know that this is my favorite concealer. It is from Revelation Makeup London and it is shade 10. I need to cover this pimple as well. I'm not gonna film a get ready video for you all, but yeah, I'm just showing you. Whoa. Okay guys, as you all know, I'm such a stupid girl. I was telling you guys I don't want to use the wet beauty sponge, and that's what I'm using because these two are in same color and I got confused. And this is the new one, untouched. This is the wet one. Even it's wet, it doesn't feel like wet, so I need to go ahead and I use this wet one because YOLO. It's already dirty and I don't want to use my new one. I don't want to use 2 beauty blenders in a day. So yes guys, gotta apply some more in here. I've just used the wet beauty blender and I didn't like it, to be honest. As you guys just saw, I have applied concealer 2 times and it's still there. So yes guys, I don't recommend wet beauty blender if you are trying to hide something. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm just gonna close the video and get ready for you. Oops! I give up guys. I think I have a problem, very serious problem. I just don't know what's going on with me today, you know. I just broke my foundation stick. Whatever guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready for you all. What a day. So guys, I just got ready and this is my look for today. And one of my subscribers, she was asking me which lipstick am I wearing on my recent vlog, and this is the lipstick which I'm wearing. It is Kylie Jenner inspired lipstick which I got from Nepal Civil Mall, and it's called Candy K. She also told me that this color suits me a lot compared to other lipsticks. So yes guys, I also truly believe that because I really like this lipstick. It's so nice. It's not too pinkish or, you know, reddish. It's kind of like a brownish pinkish matte lipstick. Love it. Today we decided to cook chicken curry and I'm really craving for chicken curry and rice, and I'm also gonna film a mukbang video for you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy that. Let's go ahead and prepare the chicken and cook. I just chopped it into bite-sized pieces, and yes guys, let's go ahead and cook this. Got some problem right over here. My stove is not working. It's been a while. It's not even showing the time over here. Normally it's, you know, lit when I switch on my stove. But yes guys, I think we are not eating chicken today. But boo boo guys, I don't know what I'm cooking today. It's already lunchtime. It's around 11:30 to be honest. I'm gonna call my husband and see what we can do. By the way, I was also going to cook the dal. I already prepared the dal. It's in the cooker, and yeah guys, it's a bummer. My husband just came home and he got some normies. Since our stove is not working, I asked him to bring some Burger King, so we are eating Burger King. Yummy. So guys, this is what I'm eating today. I already ate a chili bite. It was really delicious. So yeah, basically I'm eating a sandwich, chicken sandwich, chips and chili bites. And for my drink, I'm drinking this orange juice. Yummy. Ani mero budale chahi pata layo what was wrong. The power circuit nai down bhayegeko rahecha guys. Now he has fixed it, so I'm gonna cook the chicken for dinner. So it is all good. So guys, I got a package. So this is what I got. SD card. This is 64 GB. I had 3 SD cards and 2 of them are not working. I don't know why. I got a new one, so it should be alright. Okay guys, finally I'm cooking my chicken curry for dinner and I'm super excited because my stove is working. I like to cook and that's the only thing where I can cook, so I'm really happy the stove is running and working very nicely. And look at this, I've already prepared my dal as well. I cooked it for 7 to 8 whistles and it is resting right now. So yes guys, yummy. Just finished cooking my dinner and you guys know that I don't eat, heavy food at the dinner time, so I will make a mukbang video tomorrow for sure, so stay tuned for that. It will be a chicken and rice mukbang video for you all, so yes guys, thumbs up for that. And I'm so sorry that I couldn't film a mukbang video for you guys. So this is the chicken curry guys. It looks so yummy and I just can't wait to eat this tomorrow. By the way guys, my dal was not fully cooked, so I'm cooking it for a few more whistles and it should be ready. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos and my vlogs. You guys are the best. Please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe for more, and hit the notification bell as well for more updates. And bye.